Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over Iaido Warm-Up Kata number 3. We'll look at this a couple of times from the front, and then we'll see it a couple of times from the side. This is a walking kata. So we are starting by taking 3 steps forward. And we have in mind 3 opponents, to your right, to your left, and to your front. You're being ambushed. First time through, we'll take it fairly slowly and talk about what we're doing. Second time through, we'll take it a little faster. Horizontal cut here off to my right, and I'm turning to face right here. Then pivoting to my left, I'm getting a 2-handed grip. Overhead cut. Notice I'm not stepping through on this. I'm just turning in position. Then pivoting to my front, again, overhead cut. Back to Chudan no Kamae here. Chibori, and Note. Oh, now let's take that one just a little bit faster. Let's have a look at it side on now. Let's see. We'll look from this angle, I think. One, 2, I'm turning right, horizontal cut, pivoting to my left, overhead cut. And again, I am not stepping through for this. Then pivoting front, overhead cut, Chudan no Kamae, Chibori, and then Note. Now let's have a look at that one a little more quickly. That was Iaido Warm-Up Kata number 3. Again, it's a walking kata, 3 opponents, 1 to your right, 1 to your left, 1 straight ahead. Thank you for joining me.